Assalamu alaikum, this is Aisha, Hajar, midwife from AMANI Birth. This is the Monday Midwifery Moment. I want to talk to you about birth noises. At the end of the day, I want you to recognize that birth comes with noises, and that's a normal part of the process. We really shouldn't be hushing women or telling them not to vocalize. Some women might moan and groan to deal with pain. It might sound like this. Oh, oh. Those are beautiful birth noises. Women who are making those kind of sounds are coping well and rocking their birth. Then there's the out of control noises. Ah! That's not a good sound, and that's a woman who needs help calming down, instruction to remember to breathe and to relax her muscles. And then there's the moment of birth noise. That sound is usually what we call the ring of fire, as the baby's head is crowning and is very intense. Realize too that pushing comes with a noise. It's kind of a grunting kind of noise that gives her power. You wouldn't tell a guy on the tennis field out there throwing up the ball who's using that noise as part of his power to hush. Don't tell the woman to hush either. She needs encouragement to vocalize and utilize her voice when she needs to get through her birth.